Dear students, can you confirm all of you? Please confirm. Yes, my dear students. So let us start the discussion of today. The topic is today's topic is that is string handling part 2. String handling part 2. As we discussed string already, string handling operations. String handling operations. So in the string handling operations already we did in the class. Part 1 we completed. Now I'm talking about part 2. In the part 1 we completed indexing as well as slicing. What do you mean by indexing? Can anybody tell in the class? What do you mean by indexing? I just want to know about it. Obtaining a character by passing the position. Yeah, obtaining a character by passing the position. Obtaining the character by passing the position. What do you mean by slicing? What do you mean by slicing? Yes, I want to know that also. Please tell me. Yes, obtaining a part of the string, obtaining a part of the string, obtaining substring, obtaining group of characters, right? Obtaining some subpart of the main string. These are all comes under slicing operations, which you have seen. So in the part 1 of string data, we performed the operations like what? String part 1, indexing and slicing. So along with the indexing and slicing, we can perform some more operations here, right? So we are going to see different type of operations in the class. Let's start without late. So let me write one or two lines of description. We know that, yes, please, all of you, we know that string is a collection of characters. String is a collection or sequence of characters. String is a collection of characters enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. You already know. You already know how many quotes, ma? Yes, I'm waiting for it. Single or double quotes, or I can say triple, single, or what? Double quotes, single, or what quotes? Double quotes. Yes. So four approaches are available. Either I can use single quotes or double quotes normally, or I can use triple single quotes or triple double quotes. We can use. We know that string is a collection or sequence of characters enclosed within single or double quotes, or triple single quotes or double quotes, triple single or triple double quotes. Okay, so we performed on string data. I can write one sentence on string data. We performed I can write, we can perform indexing and what operations? Slicing operations. slicing operations, slicing operations. We can perform indexing and slicing operations, indexing and slicing operations, right? Along with that indexing and slicing, I'm writing along with I'm writing along with indexing and slicing operations. Along with indexing and slicing operations, we can perform some additional operations. We can perform various additional operations. Look at that, various additional operations on string data by using the following functions, because already we had seen on list, you take it list. On list we used to perform indexing and slicing. Some functions we have seen, na? Append function, remove function, like that we have seen or not? Like that we can perform various operations on string data by using the following predefined functions. Predefined functions by using the following predefined functions, which are present in str class. Now I am going to start with the predefined functions. Now I am going to start predefined functions. I am writing predefined functions in where? str class. What are the predefined functions present in str class? So one by one I will write it. Try to understand me carefully. One by one I will write it. Try to understand very, very carefully. Actually, if you don't mind, I will write one by one. Try to follow carefully. First function is available. What is the first function? Try to understand. Capitalize. The function name is called what? Capitalize. The name of the function is called what? Capitalize. What is that capitalize? I just want to give you clarity. The clarity here. What is that capitalize function? I'm just going to give you the clarity. What is that clarity? I'm just going to give you. Okay. So see that capitalize function, I'm going to use it. What is that capitalize function? I'm going to give you the clarity here. Yeah, first function is capitalize. 1 minute, capitalize. Look at the name itself says, actually today's class is very, very easy. Capitalize function. Let's go immediately to the point of this Python command prompt. Right? See that, all of you. S is equal to, I'm saying that something like this. Python programming. I'll write everything small. Python programming. So something like this. This is the data what we have. Okay. See that how easy this is. Simple thing. In this case, print of yes. Print of what? Yes. Print of yes. Then I'm writing that yes dot capitalize. What is this meaning of capitalize? See, it is just printing in yes, it is printing P capital. It was small. Yes, small. Yes. Yes is equal to Python. I'm saying that yes dot capitalize. It is just printing P as this capital. First letter is capital. Like in the English writing, first letter is capital like this. If you print yes, see that is as it is available. It is just yes dot capitalize. It will just display as what? Capitalize this one. I think you are understanding this point. One more sentence, Python programming. I'm writing Python, I'm writing here, Python is an OOP language. Yes, dot capitalize. See that here, the beginning sentence, so beginning letter only capital. After the dot, don't think that letter also going to be capital. So there is one more function is there. Of course, that I will write one by one in the class. Nothing to worry. Just two things I will discuss beginning. Title. This is next function is called what? Title. So just to see title you see. What is the title? You see? Here I am writing yes dot title. I will take title. You see title. What is happening here? Every word first letter is capital. Python programming. This is a sentence what we have written. Python P capital. Programming P capital. Python P capital. Is I capital. An A capital. OOP O capital. Language L capital. Every word starting letter is something like this. So this is going to be title case. Shall we start the discussion? Shall we read the notes? So capitalize function. I will just write it. Description I will write it, ma. Just watch it. This function cap is used for capitalizing the given data. Syntax, if you watch it, variable name is equal to, you can write str object dot function name. What is the function name? Capitalize is the function name. So if you take the example here, or you can also write something like this. You can also write like this. When you say this, S dot capitalize, strobj dot capitalize. So I'm saying that S dot capitalize. Example, I can take it. Let's see this example. Here I will take it. Yes. Here I will take example. If I take it, it is going to be like this. Print of S, generally capitalize P capital, observe it. Print of S, this is normally it is available. It is not changed its thing, just it is displayed only. If you want, you can get it. Like this. See how you can do. S is equal to, take the word as it is, Python programming. S1 is equal to, see, I will write S1. I am writing print of S1. This is Python. The result is put it into S1. And S is small only. I hope this you are understanding. This is another one what you are getting it. S dot capitalize and the data printed like this. Did you understand, guys? This part of it, are you understanding? P only capital. Yeah, nothing is difficult because you can understand, because we have seen such a type of things many more. Yeah. Next, I'm going to introduce title case here. Title case, I'm going to use it. What the title case is doing here? Title case, if you come to this point, here, this is going to be giving something like this. What it is going to give you? Title case. You try to understand. Title case returns capital letter for every beginning thing. It is going to give it as capital letter. So title case, try to understand. Title. This function is used for converting all words first letters as capital. Yes, syntax if I take it, variable name is equal to strobj dot title. Example if I take it, examples. Let us coming to the, you say this is Python programming language. Yes dot title, you see. S1 is equal to some variable I will take it. Yes dot title. Yes, so print of S1. See that all the words first letters are capital. So one is storing in some variable, without variable. Every case is called what? Uppercase. All letters are capital letters. Yes dot title, printing the data, kept into some variable here, and all the words first letters are capital here. Done. Okay, this is about title case. Very simple. Very simple. Yeah. Next one I'm going to introduce. Another function I'm going to introduce. What is the next function I'm going to introduce, my dear students? Another function I'm going to introduce. What is the next function I'm introducing, ma? Try to understand me carefully. Try to understand. Is a title we are understanding. Next function we are understanding. Find function we will go for it. Find function. Third function I'm going to introduce called what? Find. This you can understand like anything because we already have a knowledge of understanding the libraries like anything. This is used for finding an index of first occurrence of specified str data. What is it? First occurrence of specified str data in the given index. If the data found, then it returns a positive indexing. If the data not found, then it returns -1. Check that things. Check it. I'll take it. Right. So check that part here. S is equal to Python is an object-oriented programming language. Print of yes. Now you see. Yes dot find of. OOP. Check it out. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Index you count it. Index already you know. This is 0th index. P is 0. Y is 1. And T, H, O, N space also. I, S space A, N and space O, P like this. This O, P. Starting index. I want to get it. That is called 13. Super. 13 ma. Mono. Good. 13. OOP is called one thing. I want to find out A. Here Python is A. So A is here only. There is another A is here. This first A only, it is going to give you the index. What is that index? 10. 10 ma. 10. A. This index, first occurrence index only. So I'm saying that I'm writing KVR. Do you have KVR there? No, it is not there. What is an index is returning? -1, indicating that it is not found. So more than enough, I will take this as an example. Coming back to the example part, I will take it. See that print of yes, getting the data. OOP value A 10 KVR getting -1, indicating that the data not found. Now I will take it. This function, yes, so this function is used for finding an index of the first occurrence, finding the index of the first occurrence of the specified str data in the given data in the given data in the given data. This function is used for finding an index of first occurrence of specified str data in the given specified str data in the given str data. In the given str data, you are specifying some str data whose first occurrence index is coming. Okay. If the data not found, if the data not found, then we get if the data found, I will write it. If the data first I will write found, then we get positive index. Okay. If the data does not exist, if the data not found, then we get -1. Then we get what? -1, indicating that it does not exist. If the data not found, then we get -1. If the data found, then we get positive index. If the data not found, then we get -1. I hope you are understanding that. Is it clear? What is the syntax of it? Syntax, I can say. Syntax, I will write it. Syntax is what? Index value is equal to, you can write strobj dot find of str data. You can write it directly like this also. Directly you can find or you can write like this. str data, you can write it. Okay. Now, strobj dot find of str data here. So Python is an object-oriented programming. S dot Python is an object-oriented programming language. Yes, simple. Next, fourth point I'm going to talk about it. Fourth point I'm going to talk about it. So the fourth point is fourth function. So like function name purpose. Next one is called what, is alpha. We are talking about what? Is alpha. See that function name is alpha numeric. The name itself says. Very, very simple. This function returns true provided str data is a combination of alphabets with numbers as well as alphabets and numbers. Alpha numeric. Just to take the examples one by one, you just check it out. Once you check it out, is alpha, the name itself says, is a combination of what? Alpha numerics only. One by one, I will show you many examples. Let us carefully observe it. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. N 1, 2, 3, 4. S dot is alpha. Is al alpha numeric. Is it valid or invalid? Listen, all of you, listen first. Listen. I'm giving multiple examples. Why so tense? Listen. So, is it alpha numeric? First of all, we must have the knowledge. First of all, my dear students, it is called true. I told you have to understand English. Alpha numeric. You need to understand first. Alpha numeric. Is it true? It's an str. It's a numeric enclosed within double quotes. So it is called what? It's called perfect. What happens? S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 minute, ma. Function name itself is, I hope, is s dot is ALNUM. Yeah, ALNUM. Yes, ALNUM. It is ALNUM. Alpha numeric. Yeah, no problem. See that what it is written? True. Because enclosing within the double quotes is called what? Number is treated as a string data. Next I will write yes. Python I am writing. Python I am writing. Yes dot. Yes dot. See that what is that? Alphabets. Alpha. Alpha. Yes. Numeric. Yes. Yes is equal to, just go on seeing that. You don't get tense. Python 1, 2, 3, 4. Python 1, 2, 3, 4. S dot is alpha numeric. See that true. Why true? This is numerics alpha, numeric within the str. True. Python alpha. Yes, true. Alpha numerics. True. S is equal to Python. Python is an object-oriented programming language. S dot is alpha numeric. Come on. True na falsa? True na falsa? Mono, you are going wrong direction, Amma. You are going wrong direction. See, what is this now? Space, space, space. Space, space, space. It is false. Tausif correct. So, it is called space. Just I am saying, I am shouting like anything here. Alpha numeric, alpha. Here what is there? Space, space, space. Is the space is alpha numeric? Is the space is alpha numeric? No. So it is going to be called as what? Come on, false or true? Yes, false. False. Why false? What is the problem with it? What is the problem with it? Space. Next I am writing S is equal to, so easy, that is not a difficult, but you feel tense. 1, 2, 3 hash. 1, 2, 3 hash. S is equal to S is equal to 1, 2, 3 hash. S dot is alpha numeric. Come on, everybody. Not at all a difficult, ma. This is not at all a difficult. So no need to feel any tense. It is so easy to understand the things. It is false. Why false? Why false? Because of the special symbol. Okay, come on, come to this. This function returns, this function returns true, provided str data contains what? Yes, I am waiting. Alphabets and numerics. Alphabets and numerics. Alphabets and numerics. This function returns false. This function returns false. Yes, when provided str data contains yes, alphabets, numerics, along with any special symbols. Alphabets and numerics only. Here I will write all contains numerics and what? Special symbols. That's it. Don't take much tense. It is so simple for you. Alphabets and special symbols. Okay. Syntax I will write it. Syntax I will write it. Yes. strobj dot is alpha numeric. Is alpha numeric. Yes. So take the example. Mono. What happens, ma? Today you are going wrong. Sir, underscore you are using. Underscore is what, ma? Underscore is what? Special symbol only, no? Special symbol only, right or not? Then special symbol also, no? So mentioning that or not? Yes. So careful. Coming to the point of it, take care of that kind of things. Here I am writing something like this. So is alphanumeric? Is alphanumeric? Is alphanumeric? Is alphanumeric? Is alphanumeric? Yes. Say S is equal to 1 2 underscore 2 3 underscore 3 4. S dot is alphanumeric. Mono, you see your answer. You see your answer. You see your answer. Right. So done like this. Is it clear? Is it clear for all of you? Yes. So it's not a difficult at all. So simple for you to understand. Yeah. So got it. This is called what? Alpha. So next I want to go for one more. Next function I want to talk about it is alpha. Next function I want to talk about what? Is alpha. I just want to talk about it. Is alpha. Next function is alphanumeric. This is next function is alphanumeric. Next function is alpha. Is alpha. Tell me, is alpha function I am going to give you. Is alpha. Tell me, anybody can tell this now? Easy. This function returns true provided str data contains only alphabets. Otherwise it returns false. This function returns true provided str data contains only alphabets. Otherwise it returns false. Syntax. Now I am talking about the syntax. What is that syntax? Str obj dot is alpha. Let's take the example part also. Example part I am going to take. Example part. Yes. So this example part you take care. So now I am taking S is equal to Python. S dot alpha. S dot alpha is alpha. S dot is alpha. Say that answer true. S is equal to Python. S dot is alpha. True. Next I will write S is equal to 1 2 3 4. S dot alpha. What is it? False. Why false? Numerics. Next I am writing one more. Python is an OOP. S dot alpha. False. Why false? Why false? Yes, because there is a space. Are you understanding? Right. One more I am writing. Python 1 2 3. Is alpha. Is alpha. False. Why false? Because there is a number. Are you following? Yes. Simple. Easy or difficult? Easy. Yeah. I will take this. Strictly example. Dead easy. Not a difficult at all. Is alpha. Yes. Is alpha. Here it is done. Coming to this point. Yes. Is alpha. Writing like this. Getting. This is called is alpha explanation here. Fifth function I am going to give you the clarity here. Next function I am going to give you one more function. So you understand is alphanumeric. In that alphanumeric I got is alpha. Next, please, anybody can answer me. Is anybody else? Is a digit. Is a digit. There is a function called what? Is a digit. Is a digit. Yes, please. Yes, you can say easily. This function returns true. Returns true. Provided str data contains purely digits. Purely digits. In the bracket 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Contains purely 0 to 9. Otherwise, it returns false. It returns false. This function returns true, provided str data contains purely digits. Otherwise, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns false. Syntax, I am going to give you the clarity. What is the syntax here? Str obj dot is a digit. Is a digit. See that examples, because this is very, very easy for you to understand. Right? So coming to the point of it, take it. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. S dot is a digit. Yes, answer please. Answer please. Everybody. Answer. Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Okay. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Is a digit. Yes. Simple. Easy. Now I am writing S dot Python. 1, 2, 3, 4 Python. S dot is digit. False. Okay. Now I am writing something like this. 1, 2, 3 space 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 is a digit. Yes, it is false. Why? Why? Because space. Super. Good. Now I say, this is called the information what we have. I think you understand this part of it. Is it understandable, guys? Yes. So let's take this part. Let us take this part here. Very simple, guys. Nothing is difficult. Writing like this. So this part is like this. Here we have the information. So done. Okay, 1 minute. So I'm saying false. Done. This is called is digit. Information is getting. Syntax also we got it. Is digit, function is getting. Next term, I want to go for one more function I want to say, my dear students. One more function I want to say. There is one more thing I want to talk about it. That is, what is the next function is? Is a space I want to talk. Is a space. Is a space. Is alphanumeric. Is it alpha. Is a digit. Is a space. I want to talk about it. Is a space. I just want to talk about it. Yeah. Another function I want to talk about it. Sixth function I want to talk about it. What is the function name? Is a space. Is a space. Tell me, what is a space is giving? Come on, students. Messages are not coming. Are you there? Are you there? Yeah. Returns. This function returns true. This function returns true. I'll just take up this only. I will take up. Easy. Because these are all dead easy for all these things. This function returns true. Provided str data contains purely what? Space. Purely space. Otherwise it returns. Otherwise it returns false. Is a space. I'm taking is a space. Okay. Now examples I'm going to take up. So here I'm going to give you the clarity. Is a space. I'm going to. Yes, ma'am. Shahil, look at that. In this case, let's go to the example. Let's go to the example here. Okay, see, I will take it. S is equal to space S dot is a space true. S is equal to give some ample of space. Again you say S dot space true. There is no two spaces or three spaces or something like that. S is equal to Python is an OOP. Yes, sir. S dot space. Right? Come on. False. This is called a false. Why false? Why false? Because there is a str data is there. Is alpha is there. I want is space only. I want to see is space. Are you following me? Are you getting my point? Yes. Now S is equal to 1, 2, space 3, 4, 5, 6. S dot is space. S dot is space. False. False. I hope you are understanding. Is space. Right. Go to this place. Example. Is space. Got it. Is space. Got it. Also got this data. Information, I got it. This information related to what? Is a space, is a space, is a digit, is alphanumeric, etc. So simple. End of it. Done. Next, another conversion functions I will take it. So simple to understand in today's class. Nothing is difficult, students. Easy to understand. Let us move forward. I say next function, see carefully. I will take it something like this. Sixth function, I will take it. Sixth function, fifth function, seventh function. Lower function. At the same time, I will write upper function. Just to watch it. By seeing them, you can understand. By seeing them, did you understand? Python is an OOP. Yes, print of yes. Tell me. Uppercase UC is equal to S dot upper. Converting that S data, that is a lower data, into where? Uppercase. Print UC. You see the data is in, all of them are in capital. UC capital. UC I want to bring into lower. Lowercase is equal to LC is equal to UC dot lower. Print of LC is done like this. Last one more example. Some of them are in capital letter. Pi, THON is A, N capital, O, P, L, A, N, G. Some of them capital, some of them small. Now I am writing UC is equal to S1 dot lower. Lower upper? 1 minute, ma. Upper I will write it. Uppercase totally. LC is equal to S1 dot lower. I am taking upper as well as lower. Print UC. Yes, everything uppercase. Print of LC. And everything is lowercase. So more than enough. I think combined together I am giving. Is it understandable? Combined together, combined example I am giving for both of them. So simple, nothing is difficult. Is a small, everything called uppercase. Yes, I got it. Uppercase data, I got it. Is lower, I got lowercase data. S dot lower, this you remove. Uppercase I converted. Lowercase I converted. LC, UC I got it. LC, I got it. Done. Now you see, now I am writing. This function, there only I am writing. This function, I am writing here. This function converts the str data, converts the str data into what? Lowercase. Syntax you see, strobj1, strobj2 is equal to strobj1 dot lower. Yes. Next, upper. I will take upper. Yes, upper. Now I am taking uppercase. See that now. I am taking. This function converts str data into where? Uppercase. Yes. Function name is what? Upper. Yes. Examples for combined examples of lower and upper. Examples of lower and upper. S is equal to Python is print of S. S dot upper. Yes. Lower. Yes. Combined, having some upper and then lower. You may have a doubt. S1 dot upper. Py is upper only. Need not to convert. This one will be covered. See that. This one. Py. Anyhow. THON is covered into capital. Simple. This is covering into upper to completely upper, completely lower. You see, this is a complete example of that. I hope lower and upper is clear for you. Right, students? Fine. So let us go for next function is I am going to introduce. What is the function name? What is the next function name? I will go for the next function. Another function is there. 7 and 8. 9 I will take it. What is the function name? Is lower. Look at is lower. Yeah, look at S1 is equal to Python. Look at S1 dot is lower. What is the answer? You can understand. Is lower. Easily you can understand. That is true. Right on. S1 is equal to Python. S1 dot is lower. False. S1 is equal to PYT HON, 3 letters capital, 3 letters small. S1 dot is lower. Very good. False. Why? Some of the letters are capital, some of the letters are small. So neither small nor capital. That is false. Easy students? Yes, sir. Completely it should be small. Purely it should be small. S is equal to Python. S1 dot is upper. What is that? True. Is upper. True. S1 is equal to Python is upper. False. Is equal to Python HON small is upper. False. Beautiful. Is upper, is lower, is upper, low, is lower. Simple. What a beautiful. So I will take examples together here, how easy they are. But Saturday, so many people are absent today. Around 70, only 70% students present. Absent. So how we can be absent when the class is going on? So we should not be absent. Some commitment is required. Fine. So anyhow, let us. Is lower, is upper. I will write it. Yeah. Is lower, is upper. 9 and 10th functions I will write it. Is upper, I will write it. What is this now? This function returns true. This function returns true provided provided this function returns true, provided str data is completely this function returns true provided str data is completely what? Lowercase. Otherwise, completely lowercase, I said, completely lowercase. Otherwise, we get false. Simple syntax, please. strobj dot is lower. Simple. Now, next function, combined together, I will give the example. Is upper, same to same. Returns true. This function returns true, provided str data is completely what? Upper. Uppercase. Otherwise, we get false. Is upper. Yes. strobj dot is upper. Is upper. See the data carefully. Yes. S1 dot Python, S1 dot lower, S1 dot like this. So in all the cases together, we got the output of it. Right. Is lower, is upper, like this. Is it understandable, students? Are you getting my concept? Yes. So let's enter into the further discussion now. Is lower, is upper, lower, we got it. Now let me go to the most important discussion. I want to go for it. Most important discussion. Slow. So in today's class, it's more easy. Now you apply the overall concept on strings. In strings, we can do indexing, in slicing, and we are applying these functions. Simple. Capitalize, title, find, is alphanumeric, is ALNUM, is alpha, is digit, is space, lower, upper, is lower, is upper, is lower, is upper. How easy these functions are? Now I am going to introduce another function that is called one more function. I want to use it. So coming to the point of it, next function I am going to introduce, most important function, join function. I want to tell you most important function, join function I want to introduce. So the function number 11. Like that, any new function is coming in any new version, we can easily understand this part. What is the purpose of this function? Look at that. This is used for concatenating. Listen, this is used for concatenating all the sequence of values which are available in the form of strs. So please careful and try to understand. Look at that example first. I will take one list, LST is equal to, I have the list like this. What is that? Python. Take that Python. Next is, next an, next OOP, next what? LANG. This is my data. Print of LST. So we got, this is a list. We got the list. Now I want to concatenate all of them. To concatenate all of them, I have to take one resultant set. Assume S1 is equal to, I am writing whatever it is, you take some space, you take it, some space. That means I want to get the result in S1. How do you get the result in S1? I am saying that you see carefully, S1 dot join of LST of what? LST. All the values of LST joined with S1 and keep the result in where? S2. Keep the result in S2. LST values are there now. All these values I want to join with the what? S1. Keep the result with what? Something like S2. Without this also you can write it. You can write like this. See, everything is printed like this. Joined with this, and printed like this. If I print S1, only space is printed, only space. But I want to hold this result into one place. That's why when I write like this, I will write it into S2. Print S2 here. See that I got the data. Are you following, students? Are you following, students, all of you? So I'm combining together with these things. So I hope you are understanding. What I'm trying to call, what I'm trying to say. So print that S2, see that this space, first S1 value, space, first value of Python is joined with L, concatenating to S1, first Python, space, next value of LST, yes, joined with it, next space, next an OOP language. Two spaces means two spaces concatenated. Amitabh, two spaces, three spaces, whatever you give it. Here no space is given, just only directly I took it. That's why this answer is coming. Here I gave two spaces, one space, two spaces, whatever it is, not a difficulty at all. Are you following this? This is a most useful function, students. One should not forget this. So I will write it as an example stage, as an example here. One should remember this more easily. And most important also, you should remember it. So it's a space joined here, important, with a single space, with a multi-space, and I got it. So what is the purpose of it? I will just write it. Yeah, carefully understand. It's not only list, you can take it in tuple also. You can take it into tuple also, no problem. So I'm writing the meaningful one you need to take it. This is used for concatenating all the sequence of values, which are available, all the sequence of values which are available in the form of STRs. Why? Because already we learned, if any numerical value is there, numerical value will not be concatenated. Do you know that, students? Do you know, students? It should not be there in the form of numerical values. So all sequence of values which are available in the form of STR. Hassan Ali, you need to understand my sentence, ma. Sequence of values available in the form of STR. It can be iterable object, it can be anything. You have to understand that part. Sequence of values which are available in the form of STR. Sequence of values can be list values or tuple values or anything. So you need to take care of that. So what type it is? Hassan Ali, is it what type? STR, this one. If it is STR, what can I say for you? I can't do anything else. So if you say STR, I can't do anything else. Right. So coming to the point of it, suppose you can take this one in the form of like this. So I'm writing here TPL is equal to, I'm taking like this. This is what type? Tuple type. Tuple, the bracket itself says some x is equal to, I'm giving some bracket, some y is equal to x dot, so join of TPL, print of y, print of y, print of y. Hasan Ali, are you getting my point? Yes, simple, not a difficult. Suppose if you are taking here 1, 2, 3, here you are taking 1, 2, 3, you see 1, 2, 3, you observe it, see that what is an error? Why? Because after concatenating 1, 2, 3 is not possible to concatenate. See, sequence item 3 expected str, but int found, it should not be concatenated. But how it is done in our class, we already proved. Hello plus 3, error is coming. It's not possible. If you want to concatenate this thing, you should do what? str of 3. If you do, then you can do. Yes, you can print it. Hello 3 will come like that. It is going to be a purely what? Like that. You should take care of this. So I hope you are understanding. Sequence of values, see the word, which are available in the form of str. If at all you are interested, you can take this word. If it is this, you will get an error. Yes. Str plus str only concatenated, not other kind of things possible. Yes. So if at all you want TPL also, you can concatenate. This is one. You can take it as a valid example for the previous one. Here, one possible result, this possible result with a TPL. Then after that, this is an invalid result which I mentioned here. This is called what result? Tuple. Join kind of result this is. So join function. Now I am writing certain points here. What are the syntaxes are? Syntax I am going to talk about it. What is the syntax here? Variable name is equal to str obj1 dot join of. So join of any iterable object, any collection object I can write, any collection type object with the str data, I can say with the str data purely, collection of list, it can be tuple, it can be set, it can be whatever it is. So how it is done? Here str obj, here collection object data with str data, I will write it. Here collection type object with str data with here str obj2, this one, str obj2 means this one only. Here collection type object data with str data is concatenated with what? str obj1, and the result will be placed in into variable name. This is nothing but a variable name. That variable name we will print it. We will be printing it. I hope you are understanding what I am talking. Is it understandable, guys? Is it okay? Join function is important. Next function, I just want to go for it. What is the next function I am going for? Yes. Come on to the point of it. Another most useful function for you. Look at that. So this is a joining. This is called a joining function, my dear students. Look at that. One more function I am taking. Watch it. I am taking s is equal to S is equal to Python is an OOP language. It is a sentence, right or not? It is a sentence. It is a sentence. Fine. That I am saying, look at carefully. S dot split. S dot split off. S dot split off. Split off. Split off. Of nothing I'm passing there. That is a space separated words. Space separated words. Space separated words. S dot split off. Space separated words. Space separated words. Returns in the form of list. Returns in the form of list. Yes, returns list of space separated words. Divya, perfect. It returns list of space separated words. Look at that. Enter key. See the list symbol. It is printing what? Python is an OOP language. It is an opposite to join function. Opposite to join function. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. How many number of words are there? You can find out. You can find out. So next, one more I will write it. S is equal to one more example. Something like apple hyphen mango hyphen berry strawberry. Like this I wrote. S dot LST I can write it directly. LST is equal to S dot split off. I forget. Within the double quotes, I am writing hyphen. What is the meaning of hyphen, my dear students? Tausif, correct. What is the meaning of it? It is split based on what? It is split based on what? Hyphen based letters. Print of LST. See students, print of LST. Print of LST. See that? Apple, mango, strawberry. How beautiful it is. You want to print word in LST. Word in LST. Print of LST. Print of word you write it. Print of word. It is see that printing the words. Last and final. S is equal to. I'll write it. I will write it. What is that? 2011, 2021, 2021. Okay. Something like LS is equal to S dot split off hyphen print of LS. Print of LS. It is printing that. Beautiful. Date is coming, month is coming, year is coming. So what is the purpose of split function? It is used for splitting the given str data. It is used to split the given data in the form of list. By default, space on the basis of space separated words. We can also use it to separate the given data on the basis of programmer choice, like hyphens, underscore, hash, percentage, dollar, whatever it is. So I will take this example part here. I'll take this example part. Split function, I will take it. Next function is split function. Split function, I will take it. Split function, I will take it. I'll just take it as an example. Look at that example I'm writing. I'm writing this split function here. Very, very simple. I'm writing. It is used for splitting. It is used for splitting the given str data. By default on the basis of what? Space separated words. On the basis of space separated words. We can also use it to separate. We can also use it to separate the given data on the basis of programmer choice. On the basis of programmer choice, like hyphen, comma, underscore. Hyphen means a symbol also. If you want, I can write it. Hyphen, comma, underscore. In the bracket, I will write underscore, comma, hash, comma, dollar, percentage, whatever you like, and whatever it is, etc. Whatever the choice you like it. This function returns, I'll write this function returns list of separated words. List of separated words. List of separated words, I can say. List of separated words, I can say. This function returns list of separated words, I can say. Is it understandable, students? Is it okay? Yes, ma, all of you. Did you understand? Fine. So simple. We got it related to this entire things. So this is the information related to the str functions here, my dear students. str functions. Okay. So in further, this is related to the str functions we use very frequently in our examples. Okay. So next, in further, we are going to use generators notes not uploaded. Okay, ma. I will upload. Generator notes I will upload. Today I will upload it. Maybe I will see that. Coming to the point of it. In the next point, Monday, I told already the action plan on Monday. What is the Monday action plan, which I told you already in the class? NumPy and Pandas I will start. In the entire next week, NumPy and Pandas I will explain. So I already declared my action plan of the coverage of the subject. Don't miss it. See, Amitabh, Python project is a separate batch that is. I already told in the beginning only. When you increase your coding, Python project means not explaining documentation. Coding has to be written. Generally, if anybody going for a project, they will explain documentation. They will explain story of the Python. We don't want to listen the story. We want to listen about what? Python coding we need to learn. So next, yes, to Monday, tomorrow is a Sunday. Monday we are going to start. If I start the project, I will make the students to write the coding. Coding is main important in project, not like all the people who are teaching documentation. I don't want to, because that is no use at all. Yeah. Anyhow, Monday class we are going to enter into the NumPy and Pandas we are going to enter. After that, we are entering into OOPS. That is the order of it. I already declared it. Okay, right. So next, we are entering into the tomorrow, Monday, for the NumPy and Pandas. Okay, right. So tomorrow class, don't miss. Monday class, don't miss it. Very, very important. Yeah, Ravi Teja. As a part of advanced Python, we are having still OOPS is there. Still, I added a new topics, regular expressions, multi-threading. These are all called advanced topics only. All of them are in the advanced part. You can take everything in an advanced from modules onwards. From modules onwards, whatever is coming, all of them are called advanced part only. Not actually, strictly speaking, no core part, no advanced part. Everything is called Python only. Python is only one course only. And the training people will be dividing as a core Python and advanced Python, just thinking the two subjects. It is only one subject actually. Okay, na? Fine. So Monday class, don't miss it. Important session will start. Okay. Thank you. Good day. All the best.